Hi, this is Chris Hoy. Thank you for joining me today. I'm excited to announce a new addition to my signature brushes. This is the 20-aught Epic Script Liner. I absolutely love my 18-aught, and this one is even more amazing. The bristles are a triple filament, which offers long life and excellent bounce. A little bit longer than a liner, but shorter than a script, which allows excellent control and still gives that longer, more fluid stroke, which makes details and fine line work just absolutely amazing and perfect. The key to loading the brush to allow for nice long fluid strokes is the amount of water. I have quite a bit of water in my paint, and I have worked it until it's nice and almost an ink-like consistency. Staying on the tip of my brush, holding it almost perpendicular, I have a very light touch. I can stroke quite a bit before I have to reload. I push lightly, get slender strokes, a little bit heavier pressure, get thicker, and then lean in it a little bit more, and it becomes even thicker. So it's a very versatile brush. Press down and pull out. Pressure again is key into creating those tiny little comma strokes. Staying up on the tip of the brush, even pressure, great for painting tiny little letters. I can even stroke, and you can see how many strokes I can create before I have to reload. And I'm working on watercolor paper, so it does make it drag just a little bit more. I'm just creating a pine branch, and I stroked out the center branch. Load the brush with fluid paint, and if it starts to drag, there's not enough water in the brush, just keep stroking almost from the center out to create that nice, wispy, beautiful pine branch. This brush is so perfect for all that tiny detail, eyelashes, anything small. It's just ideal. I think you're going to love it as much as I do. There's just a few key elements in creating perfect stroke work. Number one, make sure there's enough water in the paint. It has to be an ink-like consistency so that it flows off of the brush easily. Make sure to have slow, steady strokes. If you stroke faster, then the paint can flow out of the bristles. It will start to drag and skip. Take a look at the barrel of the brush after it's loaded. What you see is what you get. Paint needs to be loaded evenly. Pressure is also very important, and you can create a lot of different types of strokes with the pressure that is applied. So all of these factors are simple, easy to master, just takes a little bit of practice, but most important is having a good quality brush, and I think you're going to be absolutely wowed with the attributes of my brand new 20-aught script liner. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. And thank you so much for joining me today. And remember, a little bit of paint makes a big difference.